This is Madiwala Lake. We can't get down now. Traffic police could come, that's why. This is residential area.
BTM layout.
BTM layout. Inside it, the park is there, huge park is there. People are coming for morning walk and evening walk. Now it's closed.
This place is popular for PGs.
This place is mostly famous for PGs. You can release roadside food also. Now there is no vendor standing here. Once the lockdown will be over, no, then I will come one day to shoot the video more. For a long duration video I can take here inside. I can go. Now it's not possible for me. It's very beautiful inside and outside also.
This is the park area.
This is also BTM layout phase 2, I think. More PGs are here, both the girls and the boys.
Same between layout only. These are all between layout. Second page.
So,
Left side also. This Madiwala Lake.
left side also you can view the Madiwala Lake.
It's a huge one, so it spreads a lot of area. It spreads to a lot of area. There is boating facilities also there inside, and there is some mangrove is there inside in the middle of the lake. So
Still it continuing the lake, you can see. In Bangalore, you can find mostly number of lakes here.
Well, earlier there used to be hundreds of lakes, but due to encroaching most of the natural lakes. Bangalore has many natural lakes. Earlier it used to have hundreds, but now due to encroaching by builders and all, it has reduced a lot. Even the area is reducing.
Now in the straight you can see the
Bhatinda Junction.
Punjab is mostly we are enjoying food here in the weekends, but now we are not coming for this pandemic. This is a huge apartment project. The name is
beautiful temple of
inside it's a huge temple, giant temple, and Ganesh temple is there. Is SNN Raj Lakeview. People who are dwelling here, they can get a good view beautiful view of the lake from their balcony. Oh, we are getting disturbed again. Disturbed again. This apartment I like the most, Ahika. You can find apartments only in the both sides of the road. It's a residential and commercial area, you can say.
Bannerghatta Road, no?
Now we'll take left on Bannerghatta Road will come.
This is Bannerghatta Road.
Yes. This is the main Bannerghatta Road starts. That person installed here, no, he's getting obstacle. It should not come in the before camera. It should be installed here, so that we will have to press the chikat patti here. Onto that you can invest. Okay. Chikat patti means chikat patti, and that you have to install a plastic kind of base. This is the IIM campus, Bangalore IIM. The main gate, entrance gate will come. Here the movie 3 Idiots been shooted here, no? This is the main entrance gate of Bangalore IIM.
IIM Bangalore.
Yes, IIM Bangalore. Due to metro construction going on, that's why it's looking messy everywhere. Else the earlier the road was very beautiful.
No, actually the roads early.
Emergency. Emergency.
Medicines.
Doctor. can travel, but the traffic police announced. No, but the traffic police not catching them. Why? What they can say? Reason? They are not asking the reason to them.
Essentials.
Ayo. Then some people might have accepting that way of traveling. If they are getting bored, if vehicles are there catching personal vehicles, then better to travel in the bus. People more might be they could prefer to bus only. This is Mahindra Life Space apartment. This is Magnolia Maruti Public School. Bannerghatta Road is full of schools, colleges and hospitals, malls, supermarkets, everything. Even Bangalore, I am Bangalore is there also. I got stuck in the traffic. Picked a bus. Some soda. It will take time. Then I'll switch up the video.